The box contains user manual, plug and screw for mounting, and the residential gas leak detector. It is important to match the serial number of the detector and the box. This is the 230 volt power supply plug. The detector comes with two LED indicators for gas leak detection indication and heat detection indication. You can simply mount the detector on a single screw. If you have an LPG cylinder, then the detector needs to be installed a maximum of 4 meters away from the cylinder and 1 foot above the ground. If you have a natural gas connection, the detector needs to be installed 1 foot below the ceiling. With the help of local electrician, you can install the power socket near the detector location. Once you turn on the detector, it will blink continuously for a warm-up time of 2 minutes and 30 seconds. The detector setup is complete post the warm-up period. In case of gas leak, the buzzer will turn on and the red light will remain on continuously. If your LPG cylinder is inside a kitchen cabinet, please ensure to have appropriate ventilation so it will detect the gas leak from the cylinder as well as from the gas stove. Be safe with TrueSafe.